Hi, I'm Danny Knoxville, and welcome to Smack Bass. Hey everyone, if you've been following, you know that I'm moving or in the process of moving at the moment. 2 days to go. So, doing the biodigester, I've still got some gas left, and I need to burn it off. And to do it responsibly, instead of releasing methane into the atmosphere to empty the collection bag, I actually need to burn it off so it releases CO2, which is still harmful, but not as harmful as methane. So we've got our bag, I think it's about maybe a quarter full. We're going to burn it off and have some fun with fire. So it is night time, so I do apologise that the lighting is so rubbish. But this is the collection bag, which is 1 cubic metre. So at the moment, maybe, probably quarter to half. Let's call it in between there. Disclaimer, playing with flammable gas is not recommended. And I don't recommend you do this bit. So while I bask in the biogas light, I've had a few people ask me where I get my bags from. So that big silver bag that I've got is actually from a winery. So that is essentially like a big giant goon bag where they store wine in. So if you're searching for one, try and hit up your wineries or an agricultural store. And the one that I've got in my hand is actually from a camping shop. This is what they put inside their backpacks to make it look full. So this holds enough gas to, do this with. Have a bit of fun. A good way to tell if your biogas is scrubbed properly is if it burns blue. If it's got orange throughout it, it's probably got some contamination in it. Let's try this. So that is mostly just blue. That's a good flame.